Chaos erupted in Los Angeles today, and the scene, it was terrifying. A peaceful protest against the Iranian regime quickly turned into a nightmare when a U-Haul truck it plowed directly into the crowd of demonstrators near a federal building in Westwood. You're watching Times XP. My name is Rityatri, and people ran for their lives. Eyewitnesses described screams, panic, chaos as the truck pushed through the protesters, leaving several of them injured in its wake. Cell phone videos circulating on social media show the terrifying moment when the vehicle forced its way through the crowd, in fact sparking outrage, confusion, and a lot of fear. While the driver is now in custody, law enforcement acted swiftly, removing the individual from the scene after protesters tried to stop the vehicle themselves, smashing windows in anger. In the meantime, authorities say that an FBI probe is now underway to determine whether this was an attack that has any links with terrorism. And yes, tensions didn't end there. Police sealed off the entire area, emergency services treated the injured, and normally busy streets on Westwood became a chaotic zone of siren, shouting, onlookers in shock. But you know why this attack matters? Because this is not a local incident. It is happening against the backdrop of rising global tensions with Iran. Demonstrators were protecting the Iranian regime's action, and now the United States faces fresh questions about safety at public gatherings, political violence, and the possibility of extremist links. While eyewitnesses say that people were pushing, they were shouting, they were trying to protect each other. The truck seemed to target the protest intentionally, though the motive is still unclear and is under investigation. But the real question is, what happens next? Authorities are analyzing surveillance footage, interviewing the eyewitnesses, and trying to determine if this particular attack was part of a larger plan or not. Well, the FBI is also examining whether foreign actors could be involved, adding another layer of a lot of concern to an already tense situation. In the end, one thing is clear: Los Angeles saw a shocking act of violence today. Protesters, authorities, and the public are left asking how this could really happen and what measures are needed to prevent this particular situation in near future. The world is watching as tensions with Iran simmer globally. While this incident in LA may just be the beginning of a new wave of politically motivated attacks, or maybe just a sign that many more are coming.